Your posture is probably collapsing right now, and you don't even realize it. You might think the solution is standing up straighter or forcing your shoulders back, but that's not the real fix. The truth is the answer has nothing to do with posture drills. It has everything to do with something you're already doing in the gym, squats. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why this one movement might be the missing piece in fixing your posture for good. When you squat, you're probably thinking about your legs, quads, glutes, maybe hamstrings. That's normal. But here's what almost nobody talks about. Every time you squat with poor form, you're reinforcing the same posture problems that are already wrecking your spine. Most people squat with their chest caved in, their lower back rounded, and their head pushed forward. Sound familiar? That's the exact position you're sitting in right now. Over time, you're literally training your body to stay slouched. But when squats are done correctly, they do the opposite. They act like a full system reset for your posture. To understand why, you need to know what's actually happening inside your body. Think of your core like the foundation of a skyscraper. If that foundation is weak or misaligned, everything above it starts to tilt. That's your spine. Your ribs, shoulders, neck, and head all stack on top of your core. When that base is unstable, posture falls apart. This is where squats become powerful. A properly performed squat forces your entire core system to work together. Your abs, obliques, lower back, and even deep stabilizing muscles like the transverse abdominis and multifidus all activate at the same time. Their job is to keep your spine neutral while your body is under load. And that neutral spine position, not stiff, not exaggerated, is what good posture actually is. Not a rigid military stance, but a stable, naturally aligned spine that can handle movement and stress. The catch is this: you only get these benefits if you squat with intention. Before you even move, everything starts with a brace. Take a deep breath into your belly, not your chest, and tighten your core like you're about to be punched in the stomach. This creates intra-abdominal pressure, turning your core into a strong, protective cylinder around your spine. Next, pull your shoulder blades slightly back and down. Notice what happens instantly. Your chest lifts, your upper back activates, and your posture improves without forcing it. This is the position your body needs to learn. As you descend into the squat, imagine sitting between your knees instead of folding forward over them. Your torso doesn't need to be perfectly upright, but it should stay stacked over your hips. If your chest collapses forward, that's your posture breaking down again. Here's a simple cue that makes a huge difference. Keep your eyes focused slightly above eye level. Where your eyes go, your head follows. Where your head goes, your spine follows. This single cue alone fixes multiple postural mistakes at once. Now for the part most people miss. The real posture training happens at the bottom of the squat. When you pause for just 1 second in that deep position, your spinal erectors and core muscles have to work overtime to keep you stable. This is where your body learns what true stability feels like. There's actual science behind this. Your body relies on something called proprioception, your internal sense of position and alignment. When you spend hours slouched at a desk, your nervous system starts to think that slouch position is normal. Squats reprogram that system. By repeatedly placing your body in a strong, aligned position under load, you teach your brain what neutral posture feels like again. Over time, that new pattern becomes automatic. That's why this carries over into daily life. When you stand up from a chair, your body remembers the brace. When you walk, your glutes activate naturally. When you pick something up off the floor, you hinge properly instead of rounding your back. Even standing still becomes easier and more comfortable. This is the real benefit of squats. They don't just build muscle. They build movement intelligence, the kind that protects your spine and posture for decades. So here's your challenge. Stand up right now and do 10 squats using everything you just learned. Brace your core, set your shoulders, keep your chest proud, and pause for 1 second at the bottom of every rep. Feel that difference? That's what good posture actually feels like. If this made something click for you, leave a comment and let me know what changed. And if you want more videos that actually fix how your body moves instead of just talking about it, hit subscribe. Your future spine will thank you.